If you're in the US or from any other country and looking for the perfect budget phone in 2025, the Google Pixel 9a might just be it. From performance to camera, we're breaking it all down right now on Mobiles Talk. Design and display. The Pixel 9a keeps it clean and classy. It features a smooth matte finish and a flat 6.3-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and with a 90 Hz refresh rate, it feels super responsive for everyday use. Performance. Powered by the brand new Google Tensor G4 chip, this phone handles everything, from multitasking to gaming, like a pro. It runs on the latest Android 15 with Google's Gemini AI baked in for smarter suggestions and smoother interactions. Camera test. The Pixel 9a features a 64 main sensor and 13 ultra-wide, with Google's famous computational photography. Photos look sharp, vibrant, and detailed, even in low light. Video quality is crisp with solid stabilization, perfect for content creators on a budget. Battery life. With a 5100 mAh battery, it powers through a full day with ease. Fast charging and battery health optimization make it a reliable daily driver for anyone on the go. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, has stereo speakers, 5G support, and that clean Pixel experience. Plus, you'll get 7 years of OS updates. That's Google's new promise for the 9a series. All this at just $499. The Pixel 9a is seriously competitive. Whether you're a student, traveler, or just want great performance without breaking the bank, this phone delivers. So what do you think about the new Pixel 9a? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mobiles Talk for the latest US mobile reviews.